50 foods that are super healthy. There are many foods that are both pleasant and healthful. Your meals will be colorful, adaptable, and healthy if you pile your plate high with fruits, veggies, quality protein sources, and other whole foods. Here are 50 incredibly healthy foods. Most of them are surprisingly delicious. Number 1. Apples. Apples provide a lot of antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber. They make the ideal snack if you're feeling peckish in between meals because they are so satisfying. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados stand out from the majority of other fruits because they are high in beneficial fats rather than carbohydrates. They are rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C in addition to being creamy and delicious. Number 3. Bananas. One of the best suppliers of potassium in the world is bananas. They are portable, handy, and high in fiber and vitamin B6. Number 4. Blueberries. In addition to being delicious, blueberries are one of the world's top sources of antioxidants. Number 5. Oranges. Vitamin C content in oranges is well recognized. Additionally, they contain a lot of fiber and antioxidants. Number 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are very nutrient-dense and low in calories and carbohydrates. Number 7. Eggs. One of the world's most nutrient-dense foods is the egg. Number 8. Lean beef. When ingested in moderation, lean beef is one of the greatest sources of protein because it is rich in highly accessible iron. Number 9. Chicken breasts. Chicken breast is quite high in protein yet low in fat and calories. Many essential nutrients can be found in it. Again, if you're not consuming a lot of carbohydrates, feel free to consume fattier cuts of chicken. Number 10. Lamb. Lambs are often grass-fed, and the omega-3 fatty acids in their meat tend to be rich. Number 11. Almonds. Popular nuts like almonds are high in fiber, magnesium, antioxidants, and vitamin E. Almonds can aid in weight loss and enhance metabolic health, according to studies. Number 12. Chia seeds. One of the foods with the greatest nutrients per serving is chia seeds. 1 ounce's worth of food, or 28 grams, contains 11 grams of fiber along with sizable levels of calcium, magnesium, and other minerals. Number 13. Coconuts. Medium-chain triglycerides, a type of potent fatty acid, and fiber are abundant in coconuts, MCTs. Number 14. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts have a great flavor. Compared to most other nuts, they have significantly more monounsaturated fats and fewer omega-6 fatty acids. Number 15. Walnuts. Walnuts are incredibly nourishing and rich in fiber, as well as other vitamins and minerals. Number 16. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are one of the best sources of the crucial mineral selenium, have a buttery, smooth texture, are packed with minerals, and are good for thyroid function. Number 17. Asparagus. Popular vegetable asparagus is high in vitamin K and low in calories and carbohydrates. Number 18. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are available in a variety of hues, such as red, yellow, and green. They are a wonderful source of antioxidants and vitamin C, plus they are crisp and delicious. Number 19. Broccoli. The cruciferous vegetable broccoli is delicious both raw and cooked. When compared to other vegetables, it has a respectable quantity of protein and is a great source of fiber, vitamins C and K. Number 20. Carrots. One well-liked root vegetable is the carrot. They provide a great deal of fiber and vitamin K and are quite crispy. Number 21. Cauliflower. The cruciferous vegetable cauliflower is remarkably adaptable. It tastes delicious on its own and may be used to prepare a wide variety of nutritious recipes. Number 22. Cucumber. In the world, cucumbers are one of the most consumed veggies. They largely consist of water and have extremely few calories and carbohydrates. They do, however, have a variety of minerals, including vitamin K, in trace amounts. Number 23. Garlic. Garlic has great health benefits. It contains bioactive organosulfur substances with potent biological effects, such as boosted immunological response. Number 24. Kale. Due to its extraordinary concentration of fiber, vitamins C and K, and other minerals, kale has grown in popularity. It gives salads and other foods a pleasant crunch. Number 25. Onions. Onions are used frequently in cooking and have a powerful flavor. They include several bioactive substances thought to have positive health effects. Number 26. Tomatoes. Although they are technically a fruit, tomatoes are typically thought of as vegetables. They are delicious and packed with vitamins and nutrients, such as potassium and vitamin C. Number 27. Salmon. Salmon is a variety of oily fish that is extremely well liked due to its great flavor and high nutritional value, which includes protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin D is also present. Number 28. Sardines. Small, fatty fish called sardines is one of the healthiest things you can eat. The majority of the nutrients your body requires, such as calcium and vitamin D, are present at significant levels in them. Number 29. Shellfish. In terms of nutrient density, organ meats and shellfish are comparable. Shellfish that can be eaten include clams, mollusks, and oysters. Number 30. Shrimp. A sort of crustacean similar to crabs and lobsters is the shrimp. It often has fewer calories and fat but more protein. Additional elements abundant in it include selenium and vitamin B12. Number 31. Trout. Similar to salmon, trout is a tasty freshwater fish variety. Number 32. Tuna. In Western nations, tuna is very well liked and frequently has low fat content, fewer calories, and higher protein content. It is ideal for those who need to increase their protein intake while reducing their calorie intake. Number 33. Brown rice. More than half of the world's population today relies on rice as a staple diet, making it one of the most popular cereal grains. Due to its reasonable fiber, vitamin B1, and magnesium content, brown rice is a rather nutritious food. Number 34. Oats. Oats are quite nutritious. They include a wealth of minerals and strong fibers called beta-glucans, which have a number of advantages, such as lowering cholesterol and feeding good microorganisms in the gut. Number 35. Quinoa. In recent years, quinoa has skyrocketed in popularity among those who are concerned about their health. It is a sweet grain that is rich in minerals like magnesium and fiber. Additionally, it is a top source of plant-based protein. Number 36. Ezekiel bread. The healthiest bread you can buy might be Ezekiel bread. It is created with a variety of organic, sprouted beans and complete grains. Number 37. Homemade low-carb loaves of bread. Making your own bread might be the best option overall. 15 recipes for low-carb, gluten-free bread are provided below. Number 38. Green beans. Unripe string beans, often known as green beans, are a type of common bean. In Western nations, they are incredibly well liked. Number 39. Kidney beans. Fiber, several vitamins, and minerals abound in kidney beans. Because they are poisonous when raw, be sure to properly prepare them. Number 40. Lentils. Lentils are a different well-known bean. They are among the greatest sources of plant-based protein and are high in fiber. Number 41. Peanuts. As legumes rather than genuine nuts, peanuts are delicious and packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Numerous research implies that peanuts can help people lose weight. Number 42. Cheese. One slice of cheese can provide roughly the same amount of nutrients as a cup, 240 milliliters, of milk. Cheese is very nutrient-dense. It's also regarded as one of the tastiest foods by many people. Number 43. Whole milk. The amount of vitamins, minerals, high-quality animal protein, and good fats in whole milk is very high. Additionally, it is among the greatest dietary providers of calcium. Number 44. Yogurt. Live bacteria are added to milk to cause fermentation, which is then used to make yogurt. Milk and yogurt both have many of the same health benefits, but yogurt with live cultures offers the advantage of probiotic bacteria. Number 45. Extra virgin olive oil. Among vegetable oils, extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest. It has a high concentration of antioxidants, which offer tremendous health advantages, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Number 46. Coconut oil. Despite the fact that coconut oil includes MCTs and is saturated fat, it may offer similar health benefits to olive oil. Number 47. Potatoes. Potassium is abundant in potatoes, which also have little amounts of nearly all the other nutrients you require, including vitamin C. Number 48. Sweet potatoes. One of the most wonderful starchy meals you can consume is sweet potatoes. They include a ton of healthful elements, including beta-carotene, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Number 49. Apple cider vinegar. When taken after a meal, Apple cider vinegar may help control post-meal blood sugar levels, although additional research is required to support this. Number 50. Dark chocolate. Magnesium is abundant in dark chocolate, which is also one of the most potent antioxidant sources. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notifications.